morning sun, it's Christmas. The fire crackling gently all the while. Snow is falling down, guess everything's just right. But I'll be wishing you were here with me. Everywhere I go, it's Christmas. Our town filled with wonder and delight. The season to rejoice brings everybody close. But I'll be missing you right next to me. Feels kinda lonely when you're a million miles away. But maybe there's a start to.
Good morning, guys. Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year. Because I won't have a video going up before the New Year starts. So it is Christmas morning. The kids are up, waiting to open up their gifts, and I'm just going to get breakfast in the oven to have that going while they're opening their gifts. We're gonna have sausage, bacon. I'm making these pancake muffins, and then also we're going to have hash browns. So I'm going to show you guys really quick how I mix the muffin ingredients together and throw it in the oven, and then I will also have a link down below in my description box. And let me know in the comments below how you guys celebrated Christmas. Did you go away? Did you spend it at home? And yeah, that's it. This is the ingredients here. Basically, like I said, I will leave it below for you guys to do it. I already shifted my flour, my baking powder, and salt. Butter is melted. I have the eggs here, milk, the chocolate chips, maple syrup. Is very simple, and my muffin pan here. Your name is on that one, Zoe? Okay. Your name is on that one? Whose name is that? That's Sanaya's. Pass it here, I'll give it to her.
Here goes Sanaya.
Yes, I'm fine. You want your tray to open up your present?
I'm gonna open this later.
What is it?
Sand Tornado!
Connect Sand?
Yeah, Connect Sand! Zoe, I got Connect Sand!
That's for all of you guys.
Yeah, Connect Sand.
And what do you have, Zoe? Oh, that's cute.
I got and also I got something in for.
What you got? Jewelry?
Yep.
You've been wanting that, right?
Thanks to God.
out their gifts. I'm finishing up with breakfast. I'm going to show you guys how it looks really quick. I actually got my vacuum, robot vacuum, which I'm really happy. I've been wanting that for a long time. If you follow me now, you know that. I have a lot of flooring here. So I got a RoboVac, which is really cool. The kids are outside right now playing with Mason's Megalodon. He got a Megalodon truck. He's been wanting that. But the kids basically got everything that they wanted, which is nice. Very thankful and blessed because there's people out there that didn't receive anything. And as I always say, gifts don't mean everything. It's the moments that you make and the time that you spend with your family. But just being able to do that for them is very nice. And let me show you them outside really quick. They're out there playing with the Megalodon, and it can go on water and on land. So this is how the pancake muffins came out. They look really good. And then, as I said, we have I'm waiting for some more of these hash browns to finish right there. Sausage, bacon. And this is how the table is set up. Sanaya's going to have her chair, but this is how it's set up for me, Mason, and Zoe to sit down and eat. And so now I have her chair right here. And that's just some cran grape juice and orange juice. Okay, y'all, it is in the evening time. We basically had a fun-filled day. It's time for snacks. We're gonna go watch some movies, but first I'm gonna make a Christmas popcorn mixture. Basically, it consists of Pringles, Pringles, M&Ms, popcorn, some sprinkles. I have these melted wafers. I actually added them to the stove. I have them on the stove right now on low heat, melting until I'm ready for them. I already popped the popcorn. You just make sure you take out the kernels, and then you pour all the mixtures together, and there you go. And then I'm also going to make them a Grinch juice that they've been wanting. Basically, that consists of Hawaiian Punch, pineapple juice, lime sherbet, and it's the green berry rush Hawaiian Punch with some Sprite. You're gonna pour half of everything into a jar or either a punch dish. Mix it up and you serve it right away. Whatever's not used, you throw it out. So that's what I'm gonna do right now because we're gonna settle down to watch some movies. They were outside. We actually spent the evening after we ate dinner putting up their trampoline, and we have to go back out there tomorrow just to adjust some things. So maybe I'll show you guys that tomorrow, but I'll just show you how everything is gonna look that we're making for our snack tonight.
But it's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
is how it looks. A lot of the M&Ms and stuff fell at the bottom, but you guys get the drift. Once it dries and sticks, we'll be able to pick it up and see more of the stuff in there. But the kids taste it and they like it so far. I'm doing half of this, half of this. Get the pineapple juice out the fridge. In the fridge, in the back. The cool lime sherbet. We're gonna mix it in the bowl. And it says I have to do half a pint of this. This is a gallon, so I'm gonna take half of this and pour it in there. And then I have also the pineapple juice. I'm gonna do 23, I think 0.5 ounces of that. Is the Grinch juice. Looks crazy, but it tastes good. Jay actually didn't want to try it, but he likes it. It's okay, he said. And then of course this is our popcorn, our Christmas popcorn, which tastes really great. So we're gonna go watch a movie now. But basically this is it. You don't have to put the sherbet in your cup. You can just use the juice, and it has, like, you know, a limey, tangy taste.